Hey there, little friends! Are you ready for an adventure? Today, I'm going to introduce you to my tiny wiggly buddy, Munchie the caterpillar. Can you say, "Hi, Munchie"? Oh, I bet you did. Munchie's so happy to meet you. But wait, what's wrong, Munchie? Munchie's rubbing his little tummy. Listen up! Munchie says, "Oh, I'm so hungry, but I don't know what to eat. Will you help me find some yummy food?" Should we help Munchie, friends? Yell out, "Yes!" Hooray! Let's go! Look over there! Munchie found one juicy red strawberry. Can you help me count it? Ready? 1. Let's say it together. 1. Now watch, Munchie's growing. Just a little. What's next on our adventure? 2 shiny red apples. Let's count. 1, 2. Try it with me, big voices. 1, 2. Munchie's getting bigger. Oh, now he's found 3 grapes. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3. Say it loud. 1, 2, 3. Can you spot 4 orange slices? Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4. Great job. Munchie eats them all up. Yum. Look, 5 crunchy carrot sticks. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You're the best counters ever. But uh-oh, what's this? Munchie found a cupcake and some ice cream. He eats them too fast. Oh no, now Munchie's tummy hurts. Oh dear. What should Munchie eat to feel better? Can you guess? That's right, a big green leafy vegetable. Munchie takes a bite, crunch, and guess what? He feels so much better. Now, Munchie's feeling sleepy. He wraps himself up in a cozy cocoon. Shh, let's wait together. Pop! Out comes Munchie, but he's not a caterpillar anymore. He's a beautiful butterfly. Look at those amazing wings. Give Munchie a big cheer. Wow! Munchie grew big and strong because he ate healthy foods and tried new things. Can you name a healthy snack you love? Tell me in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe if you want more fun adventures with Munchie and friends. Bye-bye, everyone. See you next time.